Everybody, July 21st. It's getting an early start. Believe it or not, it's about 5:40 in the morning. It's daylight up here in Oregon.
It's the 20th.
Huh?
I think it's the 20th.
Oh, 20th, 21st, somewhere around there. I think it's a Monday.
20th.
20th. And we're doing a final sweep. Already looked at all the areas. We've left nothing. We've ate breakfast, had our coffee. Sideshow packing up his little chair. We'll be on the road. Not sure we'll get a 10 by 10, getting a little later start than we wanted. We're already about 10 minutes late, but oh well. It is what it is. We'll make it. Today's the 20-mile push to Bartlett Road. I think it's Highway 35 or something. And we're ahead about a day, so we're going to get a 00 there this weekend. Or the weekend. Weekend is Monday. To us, it's going to be a weekend because we've been working all week hiking, so... That's about it. We'll talk to y'all down the trail. We'll see you later.
Bye.
Bye.
All kinds of signs here. Miller Trail number, Historic Ranger Station 1 mile. Timothy Lake. I don't know. Morning, everybody. Uh-oh, which way to go? This way. Just a quick glance at the lake up here. It's a huge one. It's called Timothy Lake. I'll get a couple more photos when we get down closer. See ya. Morning, peeps. This is our morning hike. We're walking around Timothy Lake. It's a big lake. And it's pretty much all flat and wooded. A lot of dispersed camping sites around it on our left side. And there are campers. I've seen one, man, they had ice chests and camp stuff, and tents for cooking, and they carried a lot of stuff up. But not for us. We're just about slack packing, no food. Just the food for the day in our fanny packs. That's it. Just making miles. A lot of spider webs right at my face level from tree to tree across the trail. It's kind of getting a little annoying, but that's it. See you later. Come up on a couple wooden bridges. You've seen the picture I took about boards being broken. Somewhere around here we gotta get water for the day. This will be our last bit of water we catch for the day. It's just pretty much all dry. And it looks like right here, huh, Junebug?
Yeah.
All right, that's enough of the bridge. We're gonna get some water. See ya. Well, we got the water we needed and got a little bit more bridges. That's it. I'll talk to you later. Morning, folks. It's 10 o'clock.
Yep.
We left at 5:45, so we've been hiking 4 hours, 15 minutes. And we did our first 10 by 10 on the PCT. We could have did it many times, but we like to sleep in a little. We don't want to get up too early. So this morning we got up a little earlier. And just to show people that, hey, this old man and this young kid, he ain't a kid anymore after this hike, this young adult, look at me, look up. We don't want to see your man bun. We did 10.8 miles.
Almost 11 by 10.
Almost 11 by 10 in 4 hours and 15 minutes. So we're pretty proud of it. Give me some. There it is. That's what hikers do.
Yeah.
We'll talk to y'all later. Bye. Another rope. See y'all later. Well, looks like we're coming up on a pretty big highway. Oh boy. Looks like we just jumped across. Looks like Junior already did it, or Sideshow. What?
It was just car. I had to run across the street.
Ain't nobody out here now. Frog Lake, Pacific Crest Trail. That's the trailhead over there. Time to government camp. 8 minutes. All right, here comes the car. Look, we're playing in the road. There they go. See you later. We got here. Oh, this is the little, this is a trailhead, right? Oh, you got trash? I do.
Oh, I don't want to dig through my back.
Here, mine's right in my back latch, right on the top there, I think, right below the rain jacket. Talk to you later. I didn't give a recap on the 20th. 720, we ended at mile 2054.7. We hiked 20.7 PCT miles. Did an ascent of 2,456 and a descent of 2,165 and landed here at wherever we are. Welch's at 4,160. We had a good day. We're kicking ass. Got our Trail Angels up here, Rocky driving, Tracy navigating, and me and Junebug in the back seat. I do have a brand new set of
somewhere here. Where are they at?
Oh, jeez.
Where are the shoes?
Right
There they are, brand new set of kids. Blue in color with a highlighter lace. Pretty timid there, but hey,
And you got a blister.
and it's gonna work though.
And
So,
you got a blister.
the blister's been shown a couple times, and the repair. But that's about it. We're on our way, and everything is good. How about you, Joe Bug? Anything to add?
No.
No, it's too early to add. Talk to y'all later. Bye.